Top 3 Gastronomy in Europe. Italian cuisine. Italian cuisine is equally well known across the world as French cuisine. Pizza and spaghetti are now common dishes prepared not only in restaurants but also by the majority of home cooks. All youngsters are familiar with Italian foods like pizza margherita and spaghetti bolognese, regardless of where they are raised in Europe. While the cuisine of the French is most renowned for its Michelin-starred delicacies, Italian cuisine is focused on family, tradition, and coziness. The recipes are extraordinarily colorful due to the use of fresh, regional ingredients, straightforward flavors, and green herbs like basil, thyme, and sage. Italy was separated into 27 provinces until around 150 years ago. Every region evolved its unique customs, language, and cuisine. In reality, there are 27 different cuisines that fall under the umbrella of Italian food. For instance, the culinary traditions of the Bay of Naples, where seamen introduced new ingredients and invented the use of tomatoes in pizza, and the classic Sicilian meals that were popular under the Roman Empire. People ate more polenta than pasta in Lombardy, while in Tuscany's bucolic countryside, skilled bakers developed. Olive oil is the most important component of Italian cuisine. While extra virgin oil, which is more costly and tasty, is used drop by drop on salads or to complete meals, mild olive oil is used for cooking. In Italy, high-quality dried pasta is not a second-rate product. Both fresh and dried pasta have advantages. However, it's crucial to pick a respectable, Italian, brand of dried pasta because low-quality pasta turns fibrous when cooked. Everyone is aware that Italians enjoy sprinkling Parmesan cheese on their dish, but they also use this umami-rich ingredient in other ways. Italians love a slice of cheese with their wine, as opposed to our block of cheese. They select aged Parmigiano Reggiano for this. They choose the somewhat less expensive Grana Padano for grating. Tomatoes are a relatively recent addition to Italian cuisine. The tomato won the hearts of the Italians once they first experienced it. The most well-known type are the San Marzano tomatoes, which are raised on Vesuvius's sunny hills. Italians use their tomatoes to make pizza toppings, bolognese sauce, bruschetta sauce, and marinara sauce. French cuisine. French cooking is a distinctive cultural experience that combines scrumptious, seasonally appropriate food with elegance, leisure, and careful preparation. It may take a lifetime to perfect the art of making and enjoying French cuisine, but time must stop to fully appreciate its beauty. Consider French food to be an art, a heritage, and a way of life as you explore it. Garlic, mushrooms, and truffles haven't always been popular foods in France. Before the 14th century, damaged food was covered up with flavors and embellishments. France had what is now often referred to be plain meals without ostentatious ornamentation. Catherine de' Medici of Italy immigrated to France in the middle of the 15th century to wed the future King Henri II. She brought with her Florentine-educated cooks as well as a flair for theatre and graces. In the years to come, French food developed into a magnificent art with exquisite presentation and unique tastes. French cuisine saw significant modifications over the 20th century. Traditional haute cuisine, sometimes known as high cookery, is a type of well-known food that is recognized for its intricate preparation and beautiful presentation. Up until culinary experts criticized it for being excessively rigid, French cuisine was seen as the ideal. French cuisine has a strong regional component. Among the most often used ingredients are fresh apples, berries, haricots verts, leeks, mushrooms, different squash, and stone fruits. All year long, it's easy to find meats like calf, cattle, lamb, and poultry. France boasts a wide variety of handmade cheese and wine, regardless of area. In addition to dramatic herbs, tomatoes, and olives that are adapted from nearby Mediterranean cuisines, the rich, subtle tastes of mushrooms and duck are featured in southern French cuisine. The culinary diversity of northern France is astounding, with a strong emphasis on farmhouse dishes made with apples, dairy, pig, potatoes, sausage, and beer. Romanian cuisine. Romanian cuisine, like the nation's culture, is a reflection of the nation's lengthy and diverse past. Romanians have long benefited from a vast variety of traditional meat products, cheese, and vegetables because farming, raising livestock, and hunting have been the primary food-producing activities of the nation's residents from ancient times. Given the ongoing migration, the dominance of several foreign countries, such as the Ottoman Empire, over Romanian land, and the blending of cultures, Romanian cuisine has been inspired over time by foods from the Balkans, Turkey, Germany, Italy, and Hungary. The gastronomy in Romania today is heavily influenced by the West. Romania's gastronomic culture inherited numerous culinary habits from its invaders and neighbors. The Romans were responsible for the pie, the Turks for ciorba de parasor, meatball soup, chiftel and arde ampluti, stuffed peppers, the Greeks for moussaka, Austria brought the delicious schnitzel, and the Bulgarians the various vegetable-based dishes, like zakuska, a very popular mix of boiled vegetables prepared during autumn time. Mumaliga, a form of polenta mostly consisting of maize flour, water, and salt, is one of the traditional dishes. It was formerly substituted for bread, but today we can find it in the majority of traditional Romanian restaurants, alongside meals made with pig, beef, or lamb, as well as branza and carnati or sarmale. Romanian food, although being less well known globally, is often a pleasant surprise for travelers and is well received by those who are anxious to experience it.